both knees to your left. Quads are perpendicular to the body. Post your left hand on top of your right knee, right arm perpendicular to the body, looking to the right. Stay. Breathing into your nose and out your nose. Knees near chest. Hugging your knees. Drop your knees to your right. Quads are perpendicular to the body. Right hand to the left knee or left quad. Left arm perpendicular to the body. Looking to your left. Stay. Breathing into your nose and out your nose. Knees near chest. Hugging your knees. Left leg straight. Left leg onto the floor. Drop your right knee to your left. Rolling to your left. Left hand on top of your right knee. Right arm perpendicular to the body. Looking to your right. Right foot hooking the left knee. Breathing into your nose and out your nose. Hold. Slowly come out of it. Knees into your chest. Right leg straight, posting your right leg flat onto the floor. Left knee to the right, rolling to your right side. Right hand on top of your left knee. Left arm perpendicular to the body. Breathing into your nose and out your nose. Hold. Knees near chest. Hugging your knees. Dropping your heels to the floor, close to your buttocks. Hands on your hips. Feet together. Open your knees to your sides. Relax, catch your breath. Breathing into your nose and out your nose. Knees into your chest. Right knee over left knee. Holding your left knee or holding behind your left quad. Pulling your knee into your chest. Hold, breathing into your nose and out your nose. Switch. Left knee on top of right knee. Hold your right knee or hold behind your right quad. Pulling your knee into your chest. Hold. Breathing into your nose and out your nose. Knees in your chest. Roll to your side, sit up, push off your top arm, push off your rear arm, extend legs, pulling your right foot onto the inside of the left knee, or right heel into the perineum. Breathing in, arch, look up. Breathing out, relax forward. Hold, breathing into your nose and out your nose. Breathing in, sit up. Switch. Extend your right leg. Put your left foot in. Put your left foot in to the inside of the right knee. Or pull your left foot in to the perineum. Left heel into the perineum. Breathing in, arch, look up. Breathing out, relax forward. Relax onto the right knee. Breathing into your nose and out your nose. Hold, breathing into your nose and out your nose. Breathing in, sit up. Cross your legs. Breathing in, arch. Breathing out, relax forward. Posting your elbows to the floor. Palms flat on the floor. Breathing in, arch. Breathing out. Walk your hands forward. Relax your forehead to the floor. Breathing in, breathing out. Wrap your arms back, under the knees, towards the feet. Hold, breathing into your nose and out your nose. Hold. Breathing into your nose, sitting up. Left elbow behind the head. Right hand to the left elbow. Pulling the left elbow behind the head. Chin parallel to the floor, spine perpendicular to the floor. Hold. Slowly coming out of it. Relaxing your arms down. Switch. Right elbow behind the head. Left hand to the right elbow. Left hand pulling the right elbow behind the head. Chin parallel to the floor, spine perpendicular to the floor. Hold. Slowly coming out of it. Relax your hands to your sides. Right hand to the head. Relax your right hand over your head. Head to the right, left arm behind you. Hold. Slowly coming out of it. Relax your right hand. Switch. Left hand to the head. Relaxing the head to the left. Right arm behind you. Hold. Slowly coming out of it. Relaxing your left arm.